Productive hybrid and electric vehicle repairs. The growth of electric and hybrid electric vehicles in the car population continues to increase as vehicle manufacturers transition away from vehicles powered solely by internal combustion engines. As a repairer, you need to take some precautions when it comes to repairing these vehicles. High-capacity batteries in electrically powered vehicles are very different from regular vehicle batteries, and special care must be taken to prevent costly damage to them from excessive heat exposure during the spray booth drying process. To limit the risk, vehicle manufacturers typically recommend reducing bake temperatures. With the help of Sikkens refinish products, you can meet manufacturers' temperature guidelines while improving your repair process productivity. Drive productivity with Sikkens Auto Surfacer UV. A very fast UV-cured filler with lightning drying. Drive productivity with Sikkens AutoWave waterborne base coat. Drive productivity with your choice of clear coat. Choose Sikkens Auto Clear 2.0. A highly productive clear coat with a low bake temperature of 40 degrees Celsius for an excellent finish. Or choose Sikkens Auto Clear Aero Dry, which offers multiple curing regimes, including fast drying at 20 degrees Celsius, and is designed to give you maximum process flexibility and performance. By choosing the right Sikkens refinish products for your hybrid and electric vehicle repair, you can help maximize your body shop's productivity. For more information, visit sikkensvr.com.